I don't know, this so confusing, dog. Like a some mind game. Right now the ticket them in the nosebleed jump up to 116, dog.
2,000 years later.
Yo, from that show, yeah, the man want to show you and them and the ticket start sell. I just be little, style and some. It's just not like we don't know.
Somebody come and look at this.
Well, that kind of make it look like the ticket I sell now then because remember I know
the demand they know.
You can't raise price.
For something when I sell.
I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them love.
You don't know Media Fox now, you know a thing got to work, People say, look now, this a part 2, Yeah, man, but no bingo now go on today, you see me? Cause them not check up no ticket today, you see me? So look now. People. You don't know Alkaline ticket watch a forward out again. Yeah, man. But you don't know a promotion, same way. You don't know a thing said. Yeah, man. So look now, people. Remember, get your tickets. Get your tickets, people. It's gonna be a more. If you look on the map right now, trust me, the last time I check it, I think I like yesterday I check it. Like less than 2,000 tickets, you see me? But you don't know, you're not gonna really get an accurate amount. So look now. Cause people are there buy and buy. But people don't wait till the show. You see me? Buy it from now. Get the good seat, cause it's going to be a historical moment for the vendetta people them and for the artists. You see me? Hits after hits I go sing there, you see me? Yeah, I don't know what things. But look at now. We're going to a video and hear the ticket watcher go on. Cause I tell you, Alkaline are legendary, People, I don't even know. I say, yo, I never see them watch one artist tickets so yet. I say everybody a pull up show. Yeah, man. Cause they never want Alkaline sell out the Barclays, But I true them know the dog thing louder than that, you see me? Yeah, man. So people, listen what I go on.
No, man, something wrong with someone. I never dismissed it the other day.
What?
What you say? I never said this the other day. So why this have so much blue night now?
Phone sound like it up.
You hear me?
You hear me good?
Yeah, man, I hear you.
Okay, so you say now?
I say, Mr. Wally pa blue now.
So what happened, people? Basically, you don't know the ticket themselves on different platforms, So what happened now? The other platforms send over the ticket them to Ticketmaster. You see me? Yeah, and some of the ticket them, the price go up on the ticket them as well. Cause the high in demand. You see me? So look at now. Where you see now with them a show that I like few days ago. But now, yeah, it trust me. Go get your tickets, people. Because it'll go fast. Just go get your tickets. You see me? Once you get your ticket, you're good, you're safe, you have your seat, everything ready. Vendetta boss I got touch out. Trust me, people, I tell you, say you see 20 seconds, I'll be a bag of ball and I go on, Yeah, man. Here I go on.
Hold on,
More than what we did see what day? When I say, oh, ticket a move?
Yeah.
So you can't give back a ticket? No, we have to resell because for your buy it'll be white.
Yeah, the resale will be red. Yeah, so I don't understand. I'll bring up your old video. Let me see, guys. Yeah, see it also. I want to go on, sir.
We're going to open back some of my seats, like some of my sections.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm going like in front of the stage in the little circle right there. So the other day when time I did the video, it did majority of the ticket them did sell out right there. So but now in time I go back on it today, it a show say.
So basically, I think him did a video like 13 hours ago. You see me? But it looked like the day when the ticket them forward over back. Ticket masters, yeah, because I know one platform the ticket them sell off, you see me? So, but if you go look on the bottom right now, you will see everything, the blue kind of gone, you see me? Yeah, And if you click on it, you see the amount of ticket them left, and you know, you still will see blue, but it no mean say yo, it's a bag of ticket there. You will see like all 40 ticket and all of them little thing there. If you see the blue, you see it. Cause the more lesser ticket and more the blue kind of fade out. You see me? So all the way you see them a show you so, and also the map at the arena look again. You see it? Cause the ticket them a go fast. You see me? So go get on the ticket, people, cause we have like what 2 weeks left. You see me? And we don't know by the week if we run off. Trust me. A lot of them are gonna move. You see it? So you don't know, people wait for the last minute at times. You see me? Cause you're in a bag of rush. You see it? Yeah. So people are get them tickets same speed, same way. Cause at the end of the day, some people might want to get them ticket early because they want a certain spot or, you know, certain place in the venue. You see me? But you don't know, it a go sold out, see me, you not go see what go on. You don't know the vendetta boss thing go already, you see it?
The ticket not sell right, listen up.
Alright, the last time we checked on him, we say 65-70% of tickets sold out. Or that too much?
Yeah, around that, but no.
So how much you then know?
Look like say about 50% sell now. No.
You know, me realize with them money, you can't see them not get maths. They're very weak in a maths in a class. Because them don't know percentage. You see me? Yeah, them don't know nothing about percentage. You see it? Because last time I see him show 1,500 and something. And the percentage where him give me a fair share, man. I said the brother don't know for the maths. You see it? How many them go and talk? They don't know a promotion.
Oh, go on. Something alright. I'm see ticket price them. I check a ticket price them. Well, in Canada, the same.
True, they say a couple of friends we want to go to the show, so you get ticket price jack now, so you know what I'm talking to them.
You know, this is so confusing, though. Like a some mind game. Right now the ticket them in the nosebleed jump up to 116, dog.
The money go up?
Yeah. Remember say I did like $70, you know?
Yeah, yo, from that show, yeah, the man know that show, and them dance tickets start sell out. Yeah, because you know style and some, it's just not like we don't know.
Yo, dog, man, telling people, yo, Alkaline is the greatest, dog, man, tell her brother. Yo. Yo, dog, man, tell her, yo, Jano, I don't know what dancehall I do without Alkaline, brother. Yo, man, tell you, imagine, brother. Remember, in the people, Alkaline, I know a man, them artists, you know, bro. And the man, them pull up Alkaline ticket, them 24/7. And it has stress out the man, them, dog. Man, them confused. Me I tell you, the way man them, you have to wonder if Alkaline are really the artist, brother. The man them well invested, you know. Last time, me catch man them play bingo. We ticket them. Now, it come like say man them go for CIA. You understand? Alkaline are the greatest broker. I not see them do them thing with no other artist, brother. The man them account ticket, the man them, yo, dog, it come like the way man them rate Alkaline to Bombay. Man them have to make sure say, yo, every update is there. You see it? Cause I don't know if them might try feel like them a bring down the artist or but them not realize that, bro, all on the day they sit down every day. I just promotion this, you know. When they don't even know, you know. You see it? But I saw it go still.
You can't study it like a regular ticket that sell a regular show where you know say, well, 10 tickets available for $10 and if one sell, you know say 9 left or whatever. It's just all over the place.
Lowest ticket right now at $106.
And up in our nosebleed.
Yeah. I wonder what them.
Well, that kind of make it look like the ticket I sell now then because remember I know you can't raise price for something when I sell.
Yo, nah, man, tell you, them brother doesn't laugh every day, people. Yo, people, that youth a real ticket watcher, you know, bro. Remember, you know, the man in a dark, you know, Zane, and the man have on a pullover, bro. And one big glasses. For sure, say man a real ticket watcher, dog. Me I tell you, only thing left is a binoculars. The man want right now. Me I tell you, bro. Yo, me I tell you that, but can't believe say the man is sitting every day and yo, the man just a watch, the man a watch. Imagine when them see shoot when the stadium with the arena full out, eh? And what them a go feel? What them a go say? In people, what do you think them a go say after this? Eh? Cause no for them don't know Alkaline, like the level where the youth they fan, you know. I know them now. You see me Alkaline say everything will make sense soon. Them don't know what I go on, people. May I tell you that? Them really don't know what really I go on. You see it, but them soon find out. You see me?
You see me, I say, so maybe
then they make it be cheaper. Make it be cheaper and then it just start advertising and saying I know that it draw close to the date. And
and that me I say that really the demand, you know, because the money now try to get ticket in a career when it have got cheaper. But the biggest confusion now is why it look like 70% of the venue is sold out, and now we are say 50% now. No, me I say like a week ago, we just say like 70% of the venue sold out. So why now at 50%?
Oh my!
They might go back way.
I don't know if I tricks them a play that, but they can't really play with Ticketmaster like that, dog.
I don't remember saying no. The promoters them can't control Ticketmaster thing, you know.
Yo, dad, the man them a try to find every excuse. The man them say, yo, they can't trick Ticketmaster. Yo, them man ain't no sense, you know. But me tell the people, you see, them man ain't really understand how them thing work, because let me tell you why now. You see, because remember say back then we never really talk about this arena thing, see? Although it did they showed that keep in the arena and thing, but whenever they fully invested in it like that, you see me for they account ticket and all of them little thing there. You see me? So it's like them not understand how the ticket thing with the arena thing works. You see me? Cause what trick them, seeing you don't know different platforms, you see me, I sell tickets, so you don't know the ticket that done on Ticketmaster, so them just send over back the ticket them to Ticketmaster. You see it? You know, cause the demand and thing. So everything what you see right now, it not dead and now, you know. You see me? Them I was like few days ago. You see me? But it not dead and now. Cause I less than 2,000 ticket left. You see me? Yeah, less than 2,000. So by the time the week we done that gone. Going to the next week. You see me? So that what trick them now when I think about like less than 1,600 ticket did left, and then when them send over about the ticket them to Ticketmaster, you see me, because there were other platforms where I sell the ticket them as well. Cause you don't know ticket where you can't have one platform, cause if that crash, where I go. You see me? So more than one platform we did it, you see me, we sell the ticket them. So look at now. So when them at that time when them see it, they must say, yeah, where this is that, and then now when the ticket send over back now and them start see back this now and I say bomba tawa go on some tricks to play, but I saw the ticket team always go. It's just that show everybody narrate Alkaline, so them I go watch everything when them do and all of them little thing there and pull up things. So that trick them. You see me? But the ticket them I go fast. If you go look on the map now, you can see a little bit of ticket left now, you see me? Because the people them buy up the ticket them right now, you see me? But we not go see what go on still. You see it? Because I don't know how the database things there already. Yeah, man.
Probably it was a glitch.
So you say Ticketmaster can't get pay all that?
I don't think so, dog.
You only have to do it.
I don't think so. You know, this confusing. I mean, money run the world, you know, dog, isn't it?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Probably them make it seem as if like the ticket them a sell out, so that every people or can get grab ticket.
Why? Yeah, because remember that now only help promoters, but also Ticketmaster card them get that thing too, you know.
Yo, me I tell you people, them man, they don't know. No. Man, them a say basically what them a say, yo, people them a buy out Ticketmaster if say if make your ticket look like say it a sell. I know that you can tell about them man. Better than man you try watch and all learn. You understand? All them have to do is look at research. You see it? Look at research them for the bro, but you don't know a promotion same way March the 21st. Lock that date there. You see, make sure you lock it. It's gonna be a moment. Don't miss it. You see, make if you miss it, yeah, one time in a lifetime you will get them type of energy. Yeah. Is it? Yeah, but that new rules, yeah, trust me. It a go, yo, Jano. I go down in a history book, man. May I tell you that? Yeah, man. So, them man, yeah, them not really understand how the arena thing work and the ticket sales. You see it? I just that.
So
Get a percentage.
that just help everybody where in an organization, in a team, which is the promoters and everybody. Yeah, so you see me. But me myself.
Yeah, man, people. You know the thing said. I saw them money go on, but you don't know. True, you say yo, Alkaline thing just different. Like, if you have them money, pull up ticket and check and all of them look at thing. Yeah, dog, it's true, yeah, bro. I tell you. Sure, you say yo, Alkaline is just a different level, dog. Different artist, and you see me? Sometimes the hatred, yeah, cause them a pull up and them a say, yo, it looks like it's a go solo now. Can you know them that chat a bag of things back in the days when the ticket just start go out there and every little thing. You see me? Them a say, yo, him need help, you know, him have go make somebody do this and and you know a bag of chatting them a deal with people, but I just saw the vendetta thing work already. But people in there go ram out, it a go sold out. You understand? Me I tell you that. When you don't know me the facts, when I talk trash, a facts we talk. You understand? It a go sold out. Trust me. It a go sold out, people. You see me? It's just a young legend. Alkaline. I don't know a thing go to work. You see me? I'm the only one in a young generation that do it right now. I'm a sell out the arena them. You see me? Yeah, man. Since 2013, him alone I do it. You see me? So it's a great look, great movement. Yeah, man. Show you say the youth thing is normal in the streets. You see it? Yeah, man. Cause if you say, yo, remember, you know, youth alone I sell off for show, dog. You see me? For sure, yeah, brother. You see me? Him not use no bag of hype and them thing, brother. Fans them just a forward out. And remember this. This is Alkaline. Sure. You understand? New rules. Promoter can tell you that. Just a partnership. You see me? Yeah, cause I know the arena thing go already. You see it. But this is special. This is a special show in Barclays. This is not no bookings. You understand? It's a partnership with two different brands. You see me? So this is gonna be different. Different energy, everything, people. So look at now have a forward out. Yeah, man, I'm mad up the place, man. You see me? I'll get on the vendetta mass everything. I don't know what thing set. But people, you don't know, you know, I want media facts pan it up, you know. Yeah, man, that is it.